We are in a Rice's Appliance kitchen for Wind Down Wednesday. Cheers. Thanks to the Sarasota-Manatee Originals. And one of the originals, Kolucan, is here with Chef Jose. And we are going to talk about an upcoming event and carne asada. And this whole spread looks absolutely amazing.
Amazing.
So first, let's start with carne asada. Tell us how you do it.
So let's start with searing the meat.
Okay, and then you said that's a skirt
Whatever is
steak.
your preference. I love skirt steak. So we got an inside skirt steak.
And skirt steak's easily found in the grocery. This is the stuff we can do. Did you pound that?
Yes.
Okay. I don't do that. What a good idea.
We marinated in the house, so it has chimichurri. So we start with the steak, searing the steak. We got some homemade tortillas. We're going to start frying the tortilla just to make it crispy.
By the way, can I shout out the grill you're using? I mean, we have an electric stove, and I do too at home, and right now I don't have a grill, but you put a cast iron grill on the electric stove.
Correct.
I love it.
So I just want to make it like...
That's a fabulous shortcut.
But how long would it take to get it that hot to cook on it? How long do you have to leave it on the...
Around 10 minutes, 10, 15 minutes.
That's
It
doable.
depends how your stove is.
I love
So after that, we got the crispy tortilla.
Oh, because you can't fry it.
Crispy tortilla. So we got guacamole. So one of the cool things is that whatever recipes I'm doing right here, those are the recipes that we've been teaching on the cooking classes. So we got another cooking classes coming up.
Okay.
November 4 for soup. So we got guacamole. I got some jalapeños.
Oh, he's showing us his recipe. Trace, take
Some
notes.
cilantro.
Cilantro,
Salt. Some lime juice.
of course, all fresh.
All fresh.
Guacamole, yum.
Wow.
Yum, yum.
It smells
And
delicious.
with some pico de gallo. So this is one of the features that we are going to have for Dia de los Muertos, October 25th at Kolucan.
So we're celebrating Dia de los Muertos a little bit early for a good reason on October 25th. And that's when you'll be partnering with Nosotros tequila as well,
Correct. We are going to feature some cocktails and some of the cocktails that we have around here.
And we tried those, by the way.
Yes,
A+.
we
Amazing
really liked them.
cocktails.
Yeah.
A+.
Really liked them.
A+.
Let me remove this tortilla here.
So it's almost like a tostada then once you give it a good little crisp.
Right. We got tortilla there. So after we got the guacamole, I'm going to spread it right on the tostada.
I think guacamole should be spread on everything.
Well, it's on the bottom and it's on the top.
You too.
I mean, it is.
And look how quick that was put together.
Yeah.
Our steak is right here. We're gonna
Okay.
cut it up.
Oh, look how
Oh,
perfect.
wow.
So a chimichurri marinade, and then we're making layers. Your sauces, to me, are what make your food so exceptional.
What is the
amazing.
orange one? That is beautiful.
That's called salsa brava. It's, I would say it's spicy.
Okay.
It looks
It's
spicy.
called chile de árbol.
I'm a green girl. Your tomatillo is my favorite.
So we are going to just top it up.
That meat looks so tender.
More guacamole.
Yes, please. You can never have too much guacamole.
We'll do pico de gallo once again. And here you can play with whatever you want. We got some red salsa.
Now, are you serving these as starters, or
That's
is
it.
this an entree?
That's going to be starters.
Starters?
For-
Yeah, it looks like a great
For
starter.
Dia de los Muertos, 25th. So I would say subscribe, Kolucan.com. You'll see all the events coming up. We got mezcal tasting October 21st. So we got 9 pairings with amazing appetizers. That's going to be our coming up events. So we got cooking class. Dia de los Muertos is one of those events that you don't want to miss. It's going to be amazing. We are going to partner up with, it's called
Dreamers? Yes.
Academy. It's a charity. So please join Kolucan.
And that is a dead celebrity Halloween
It's a dead celebrity,
party.
so
What a
we're
great
the best
idea.
That
cousin.
is a phenomenal idea, and I love that it is also
Are you gonna be
going to
dressing
the
up?
cause.
Most likely, yes.
Yes?
Most likely,
This is
yes.
kind of fancy here, too.
Yes. So they brought this from Mexico, so I love this
Yeah,
chef food.
very
So
cool.
we got the salad. I'm gonna put some crema right on top.
That is beautiful. What's in the crema?
Just crema.
Just
the
crema, okay.
So that's like a sour cream base, basically?
Correct. So this is the tostada.
That is absolutely beautiful. And tell us a little bit about the sauces. What are the difference between the three?
So salsas is pretty much the base. We got tomatillo, which
Okay.
is, I would say, is most
That's
of the
the
commons
green
because
one,
it
yeah.
goes with whatever. You can use it on chicken, you
I
can
love
use it
it
on
so
steak.
much.
This is the red salsa. So it's tomatillos. It has some tomatoes. And this is the salsa brava, which is, I mean, we have different levels of spiciness. This is the, I would say, the mild, and goes from red salsa. Also, we have salsa salad, another salsa that we were teaching on those cooking classes.
That's
So-
a good salsa.
Does that one have a lot of
one.
kick to it?
No, that's the mild salsa.
mild?
It's
This is
so
for the
fresh.
chips. We
And it's a
use this
vat.
one for the chips.
It's a vat of salsa. Again, everything Kolucan does is kind of at the next level, especially when it comes to sauces. The authenticity, you can just taste the difference.
Right.
So,
And once again, Dia de los Muertos is an event that we don't have to be sad. It's a day that we have to celebrate, honor our loved ones that pass away. So it's a good day for celebration, flavors, good tequila,
yes, yes, please.
and we have a DJ also.
Okay.
So we have so many things going on that day. So please don't miss it. Join us, join the classes, join our coming up events too.
Oh, so
right,
many wonderful
Jose.
things coming up at Kolucan. Again, to start with, the Dev celebrity party called Eternal Stars is on October 25th. A head start to Dia de los Muertos. And then, of course, you can enjoy all the festivities and all the classes by going to Kolucan.com. Cheers to Wine Down Wednesday. We'll be right back.